Alright guys, welcome back to PDB Outdoors. Anyways, what are we doing today? Today we are actually going to be fly fishing. Today's actually kind of a special day because I'm actually going to be fishing with my mentor. I call him my sensei because he's the guy who actually started it off with me when it comes to fly fishing. He taught me how to cast, he taught me what baits to use, how to present my bait, and how to tie flies. So much respect to this guy. Currently I am actually driving down to Stevens Point to meet up with him, Stevens Point, Wisconsin. There's actually a fly shop down there. I don't remember the name of it, quite honestly, which is bad because I go there quite a bit. Anyways, I am currently on my way to meet up with him. I don't know, like maybe 25 minutes away. But from there on, we are actually gonna go fish again, the same river that I fished earlier in the season, and hopefully we get in on some fish, because apparently he was out there, I want to say a week and a half ago, and he saw some huge fish, and he was catching a bunch of fish that were in the upper teens. So fingers crossed we managed to find more of those fish and have a blast. All right, I will see you guys out on the water. Say hi. This is who I call my sensei right here. He's the guy who started off with me, so
hey.
yep, the expert.
No, daring and joking.
Uh-huh. We got Colin here last year.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'll let you go first. You see where that tree is?
Uh-huh.
You gotta look for it?
Yeah.
Okay, show me now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're staging up under it.
Huh?
Whoa!
Yeah. Okay. All right, when you get past the part, start fishing all the way up. And to your right a little bit too, where that boulder is.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll put it out here. Not too bad. It's too sunny out there.
Yeah. No, see if any hatches happen, dude.
Huh?
See if any hatches happen.
Yeah. Well, that day was cloudy, so that's why.
Oh yeah, that's true too.
Fish, I mean, it should stay there because
It's the
the
deep
sun's
sin.
colder and the sun also. I don't think they stay there. Try right inside that.
In there?
pocket. Yeah. It might be underneath.
Oh yo.
Today the water is super clear.
Ooh, there's one right there.
Huh?
There's one right there.
Go, keep fishing.
Tiny guy. Ooh, 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 go, go, go. Ah.
That's probably.
There you go. Ooh, that's a nice
Probably
brown.
why, because the other day I was throwing like 16, 18.
Small stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I don't know. People always say use smaller stuff, but I'm just like, nah. Like in wintertime, you know?
Yeah.
Everyone's like, nah.
Yeah, that's like midge and all that stuff.
No.
Awesome. That's true too, but
It is.
you get a lot of little guys.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. I know you.
You got one?
Yep.
Oh. Ooh, he seems nice, huh? Like a 12, 13. Oh, scared me so bad. I'm hung up. Yeah. Oh! Huh? What was that? Did your tip break?
Full broke.
What? Oh my god.
Look at took the ice off and broke. Shit.
Oh man. Is that your expensive one?
Yo, my loop.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Strip set, man.
I know, dude. Honestly, I think if I would have strip set, I would have pulled it. Would have broke off. Because in the tour, it bit and pulled. I probably would have broke off.
I don't know. You had a lot of slack there, though.
Yeah. Oh man.
Come on, Pony. You have to catch what you can.
Ooh, there's a sucker right there.
Dude.
Ooh, blue.
Jay, look. Oh,
Yeah, no, I see that.
I told you. There's fish everywhere there.
I'm
All
just.
that black spot is fucking.
I know, dude. I just saw that. There's no fish here, man. Yeah. I don't know. It's like silver. Rainbow? No, it's a brown. Yes. You just can't touch water when I'm fishing. So you just can't touch water when I'm fishing. Nymphing, man.
Keep fishing.
Uh-huh.
I'll go get the car and I'll come back.
Is it just... Oh, this is the first spot, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's up to you, man.
I'll go get the car and I'll come back.
Okay.
I'll come in and park right here.
Okay. Tiny guys. Bunch of tiny trout. There we have it, guys. These are brown trout. Ouch, ouch. Oop, there he goes. Really lively. That's good. We keep saying it's cold, but in reality it's like in the upper 20s right now. It's just that we're in the water and like we're using thin breathable waders, which is like no insulation, so it's freezing temps for us. Now that both our waders have pinholes in it, so it's like we're technically wet and cold. Yeah, there's like, you guys can't see it, but there's actually like a school of like, I don't know, maybe 50 suckers, probably like, I don't know, a foot long. And these little trout are schooling up with them. And so we're just kind of picking, oh, I'm picking through them. Technically we used to have like 2 hours worth of travel waiting, but me and my buddy were cold, so he's gonna go grab his car. Oh, you guys see all those suckers? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I lied, there's over 50, easily over 50. This guy seems nicer. What is it? Sucker? I caught a sucker, guys. Caught a sucker. Oh, there he goes. There you go. Tiny trout. Yeah, there's a bunch of these tiny guys mixed in the bunch. Trying to get a picture for you guys. There we have it. Brown trouts. I'm so cold, guys. I'm tempted just to go onto the bank and just cast all the way out here. Oh, popped off. Oh, he's back already. Yeah. Yes. That's what they're eating. Nematodes. Nasty. One more and I'm gonna go. Too cold. This guy seems nicer. Right, there we have it. Alright guys, so I am actually home now. I really didn't want to record my outro on the water because I was freezing my butt off. My waders actually has like a slow leak on my right leg, so yeah, it was just freezing. So we ended up calling it a day. We could have honestly fished into the evening, like later into the evening, but then we were both freezing our butt off. We were out there for, I want to say, over 5 hours. So, and not only that, it was like it barely made it over 30 degrees, and yeah, so we ended up calling it a day. As you guys saw in the video, my buddy actually did really good throwing a streamer in the earlier in the day, and I struggled the whole entire time. I don't know what it was. I don't know, intimidation from fishing with your mentor. I don't know what it is, but every single time I go fishing with him, I don't do as great as I usually do when I'm fishing by myself. Yeah, again, I don't know what the reason is, but it happens. But yeah, towards the end, I did manage to catch a few smaller guys out of a school, and I was actually throwing it was a small, like a pheasant tail nymph, and yeah, managed to pick out those few trout out of a big school of, I want to say, 100 suckers. But it wasn't a horrible day, honestly. The weather was great, couldn't complain. Honestly, I would have wished that there was a little overcast so that the fish wouldn't be as spooky and they would actually come out more. But it is what it is. Early season like this, you gotta take it for what it's worth, because the weather could be great, it could be raining, honestly, it could be anything when it comes to this early in the season. But yeah, that will be it for the first. This will be my intro to the 2023 fly fishing and trout season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and expect to see more fly fishing in the near future as I transition from ice fishing over to open water fishing. But yeah, again, thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.